Hey, it's Tyler from Activebeat, and I'm picking up some Sriracha sauce this week. It goes good on everything. But first, here's 6 things you didn't know about Sriracha. First off, the pronunciation. It's Sriracha. Don't bother paying attention to that first R. Sriracha. 3 separate syllables. Okay, you try. Sriracha. Alright, we're on the same page? Good. Number 2, Sriracha is actually a type of sauce. It's not a trademarked brand. One of the big distributors, Hoi Fong, is often just called Sriracha, when in reality there are several different brands and you can make this stuff at home. Number 3, how about a little history? Sriracha is named after a small coastal Thailand town called Sriracha, where it was likely first used for dishes served at local seafood restaurants. Number 4, Sriracha is made from chili peppers, garlic, sugar, salt, and distilled vinegar. Keep it simple, keep it sweet, keep it spicy. Number 5, you can use it on anything. Well, pretty much anything. Eggs, burgers, spring rolls, fish, soups, jam, cocktails, you could do anything. Number 6, Sriracha ranks between 1,000 and 2,500 on the Scoville scale, which is a measurement of the pungency or spiciness of chili peppers. Bell peppers rank around 0, jalapeno between 1 and 4,000, and the hottest pepper in the world is the Carolina Reaper at 2,200,000 Scoville heat units. So there you have it, Sriracha. Put it on anything. Put it on everything. What do you use it for? What's the strangest thing you put it on that still tasted great? Let us know in the comments, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to Activebeat for more videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.